Ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my back curve like that? You're not alone. This is Maya, and she's about to discover what scoliosis really means. Scoliosis is a sideways curve in the spine, usually shaped like an S or C. It can appear in childhood or teenage years. One shoulder higher than the other, uneven hips. These might be signs of scoliosis. A doctor like Dr. Sarah checks posture and may order x-rays to confirm scoliosis. There are different types. Most common is idiopathic, meaning the exact cause is unknown. Congenital means you're born with it. Neuromuscular is found in kids with muscular hereditary problems or cerebral palsy. Back pain isn't necessarily caused by scoliosis, but it can be a sign that your back is stressed. Scoliosis often appears between ages 10 and 18. Boys and girls can get it, but it's more common in girls. Most cases are mild, but if it gets worse, it can affect breathing and posture. That's why monitoring is key. Some curves just need to be watched over time with regular checkups. A custom back brace can prevent the curve from getting worse, especially during growth spurts. Exercises help strengthen muscles and improve posture. Think of it as training your body to stay balanced. In rare cases, surgery is needed. It helps straighten and stabilize the spine. Scoliosis doesn't stop you from living fully. Maya dances. Omar plays soccer. Life moves on.